So you want to post content and get paid for that. In the last year, we have this new trend of info fee with platforms like Kaito and other thousand more. But for today's video, I don't bring you one platform like all of that, which plays with all of these of smart followers and all that mechanics. If not, today we are going to talk about WagMedia, the guild of creators who give weekly rewards. You listen to me right. Weekly rewards and fixed rewards. You post content, and if the content is approved, you are going to receive rewards yes or yes in a weekly basis. On this video, I'm going to show you on 3 easy steps how to join WagMedia, post your first contents, and get rewarded for that. Remember that to get these rewards, you don't need to start being a big influencer with a big audience. If not, you only have to post content with value. Clear value with some reach, of course. In fact, WagMedia is also a good platform not only to get rewarded by your content, if not also to share your content. And there in the WagMedia Discord server, there are other big amount of creators who also watch your content, and well, you can interact, and it's a way to make a little bit of networking in that sense. So the first step is to join WagMedia. This is an easy step, right? The only thing you have to do is to join the WagMedia Discord server. You have the link in the description of the video or in the second comment. And as I told you, WagMedia is a community which rewards content with value about Polkadot and its ecosystem, with tips from $1 to $450 per week. Let's show all the process of joining the WagMedia server. We are here in the X profile of WagMedia, and here in the profile you have here the all welcome and the link to the Discord server. You click join to the Discord server. Please wait for the link, continue, and we accept. And here we are, confirm that we are human and we are in the WagMedia server. As you can check, I join now as a new account, and we are in the announcement page and the front desk. In the front desk chat, we are going to click here, we react to this message, and the concierge, this bot, the bot of WagMedia, is talking to us. And here we have to use the command wagme and confirm our credentials. Now we are going to add our substrate address to receive the rewards in DOT. Okay, now your substrate address now is this one. We can also add the EVM address. Let's do this. And okay, and now we have added the EVM and substrate address to receive rewards on, well, all the campaigns possible and the different campaigns and bounties that are going to appear in the WagMedia server. And here we can add the Twitter handle. Okay, and now as you can see, we unlocked this other channel, the new here. On this channel, as you can read in the description, we are going to introduce ourselves and make a little presentation like, hi everyone, I am here as a new creator, I come from, I don't know, I make content before about, I don't know, and I want to come into the Polkadot ecosystem and create content and grow my audience and interact with all the rest of creators which are here. In the end, being a content creator is the best way to be a real ambassador of a project. That, don't doubt about that thing. You can check here, guys, the Discord of WagMedia, pretty easy. Here is the welcome page, the announcement, the launch royale, and here this is the main chat where the people, as you can check, the people post their content. It can be a video, it can be a thread, it can be whatever format, to be honest. The main point of this content is to bring some kind of value to the Polkadot ecosystem, to the Polkadot community with it. For this, you can explain the latest news, you can make some guides on some application, on some tool. For example, here this guy received 4 tokens for this content. Here received 5 for this thread. This one received 4 for this video. And the creators, when they submit their content, they only not receive the reward. If not, if you are a beginner, you are starting your journey as a content creator and your journey in the Polkadot ecosystem as outsider content creator already, here you can receive some types of recommendations and tips. For example, here on this thread, you can check that, for example, Goku mainly, or in this case me, I was making like a bit of review with some tips, some advice to the content creator to improve their content and their workflow and, well, their completely journey as creators, no? That's the goal. So the main point of WagMedia is on the Discord server. Apart from the Discord server, WagMedia has also this web portal, this small portal with all the compilation of the content curated by this, well, this community of creators. And this is really cool if you want to check which creators are getting more rewards. For example, in this case, Gabachi get like more than 1,000 DOT, which is like from $4,000 to $5,000 in exchange, something like that. And here you can check all the feeds with all the different posts and contents. And even you can subscribe here to the newsletter of WagMedia. This newsletter, this type of articles, you can read them on X, where they post all these articles here from the official account of that media WagMedia, Polkadot creators have. And aside from that, they have also a Substack. So now, guys, you know what is WagMedia and how to join. It's very easy. The only step that you maybe have to do a bit of technical when you join the server is to talk with the bot and give the bot the address, your Polkadot address, no? And with that, you have everything. You don't need anything more. Only start, present yourself in the server, and start interacting a little bit. And, well, the people from Web3 industry, I guess that the big part of you have intention of start creating content for Twitter, X, and is like the more easy, and at the same time, where the people have more the eyes on, no? So in the second comment of this video, of this post, or in the description or whatever, you have also one guide I write it here of how to start on WagMedia with all the links to the Discord server, to the Twitter, the X profile of WagMedia, and you can check here like a little bit of recommendations to create your first post, no? Like start creating your first post, but as I told you before, you can create any kind of content that this is going to be reviewed and, if approved, rewarded. That's the point. So yeah, some recommendations before we end this video, no? You already know what is WagMedia, you joined WagMedia, you got this part, and the step 2 will be as easy as create and post your first thread. Here some recommendations for the structure, but you can do whatever you want with your life. And the third part, which is one part that the people maybe they don't take care so much of it, is to boost and track your work. You as a creator, I like this point for the new creators who join WagMedia, who start with little rewards, and step by step they are getting more and more rewards and bigger rewards for every piece of content they make. Why? Because they get more reach and they improve the quality of their content, no? They can improve the quality of their content thanks to the advice of the curators and people like me that you are going to find in the Discord server of WagMedia. And aside of that, one tip to improve to get more reward is to try to boost your content, no? Try to make this work post your launch. You launch your post, and after that you can keep talking about your content, no? Making some replies to your audience, making some quote retweets with more facts. There are a lot of things that you can do as creator to boost your content and give it more visibility if you think that is a good piece of content that the people are going to enjoy or are going to find interesting to read or watch if it's a video, of listening if it's only a podcast. So guys, I hope you find interesting this video. Join the server of WagMedia to start your journey as creator in the Polkadot ecosystem and start receiving weekly rewards in for your content. And that's all, my friends. It's a way to start, you know? It's a way to start as creator, and when you are more big or you have more experience, there are other ways to keep growing your career, no? But this is an easy way and one of the more accessible ones, and one of the better to really keep upgrading all your content, your workflow, and everything related to your profile as creator. Mainly because you are going to be able to talk with me on that server. So Not be shy and come here and talk with your friend Elvi. And by the way, some content you can talk about in the next month and get rewarded for that on WagMedia. Sub-Zero. The Sub-Zero in Buenos Aires is going to happen in the next month, in November. So keep watching to all of that. That maybe they are going to come a lot of clips, a lot of threads, a lot of alpha from all that side. So bye bye.